Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast, just we can unlock the device less than in half of the seconds. This is a really good result for the face unlock. I just want to try one more thing, to wear the glasses and to try and unlock the device with them, because I set up my face recognition without the glasses. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So I just don't see any problems here to unlock the device with the glasses or without of them. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.